Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my makeup review series. Today I am trying out the Violet Voss Berries and Cream Dreams Velvety Eyeshadow Palette. So I got this in Ipsy and this is a very... So here's the packaging. I mean, nothing too exciting. I like the color of it, but packaging definitely isn't really catching my eye. But let's see the colors in here. Definitely catch my eye because this is my personal favorite type of color story. It has a lot of pinks and sparkles, which are just my favorites, but it also has some good neutrals and browns, which are what I'm most often wearing as eyeshadow colors. So this seems like it could be a really versatile go-to palette for me. And first things first, I am going to do some swatches. Oh my gosh, of course I have to see what this pink sparkle looks like. That looks beautiful. Oh my gosh, and then this other pink. Okay, the texture of these, this is literally called velvety eyeshadows. These are so velvety. They have the most luxurious feel and texture, and they are looking so pigmented and looking like very cohesive colors too. I really just kind of chose a bit at random, and I feel like you cannot go wrong with the colors that you choose in this palette. They're all gonna look good together. And oh my gosh, every single one of these swatched beautifully. They are so pigmented, beautiful finishes with shimmer, sparkle, almost like a duochrome. This is that beautiful matte pink. Okay, this is very promising and exciting. And so first I am going to prime just one of my eyes so we can see how these eyeshadows perform with and without a primer. And I'm going in with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. And so I'm just going to blend this all over the lid. All right, and so this palette does come with this light matte shade that I'm going to pick up on a fluffy brush to, some kickback there, kind of a dusty formula. But just gonna blend this all over the lid to set that primer, cancel out some discoloration. It looks good on the lid just to do a nice smooth covering of the lid. And then it looks like there's a perfect crease shade here, this matte brown. Looks like the perfect shade to give some dimension. So I'm gonna blend this into that crease transition area. And ooh yeah, I love this tone of brown, more of a cool tone that really creates that depth and contour to the eye. And this is pigmented, blendable. Ooh, love that. Both of these shades that I've tried so far that are my go-to essential shades to start out really any eyeshadow look are perfect. Such a great start to this palette. Okay, now I want to put like a darker shade in that outer corner, and the darker shade options, I mean, I could go with this matte pink. You know, for the fun of it, I am going to go for that matte pink. And it's called Glamberry. And I'm just going to blend a bit of this. Oh my gosh. Okay, that is so pigmented and beautiful. Even with this same fluffy brush I've been using, the pink Glamberry shade is still so pigmented, blendable, looking so smooth. Ooh, yeah. Oh, I love how that looks. Giving even more dimension to the eye. Oh, whoa. With the primer, without it. I was literally just saying how it's so pigmented, even with this fluffy brush, but this eye is, it's like a different eyeshadow. It is way less pigmented. I just had to dip back in 3 times to try and build it up to not even as pigmented. 4 times. as the eye with the primer. Wow, what a difference. So blending the pink into the crease a bit as well, because I am taking this eyeshadow look in a pink direction. Now for some shimmers. I'm going to go for Dreamberry. Just going to pick it up with my finger, this really pretty shimmery maroon shade. And I'm going to put this in that outer half of the lid. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty and looks so perfect with that pink in the outer corner. This is so pigmented with a beautiful foil sheen that is so quick and easy to apply. And I like to use the shimmery foiled eyeshadows when it's the type of palette that looks very different with and without a primer, because a shimmer I feel like is pretty much going to look the same, but it's those mattes that can really give it away. And then to tone down the berry pink shade that I have going on, I'm going to go for this lighter shade, the Berry Bubbly. Ooh, so pretty. This is almost like a duochrome pink gold color. And I'm going to put this on the rest of the lid. So brightening up the center a little bit, which will enhance the shape even more. Ooh, so pretty. Love the formula on this shade as well. Super pigmented and easy to apply. And then just blending it together. Ooh, I'm loving this color combination. And they really are beautiful formulas. But definitely I would recommend an eyeshadow primer with these, but still the colors are beautiful. The formulas are so easy to work with and so pigmented with beautiful shine and shimmer. And now for the lower lash line, I have to finish off with the Berry Champagne, this sparkly pink in the corner, which is just an irresistible color to me. It's probably my favorite type of color, this like hot pink with sparkle. Perfect in my eyes. So let's see how it looks on this lower lash line. Ooh, loving the pigment on this and the sparkle. And it looks cute. A nice way to pull the look together. Probably not my most flattering shade for the lower lash line, but I like how it pulled the other colors in the look together nicely to finish this off. Wow. I definitely want to find more ways to incorporate this sparkly pink into my eye looks because so pretty, such a pretty palette. I really like my finished look. It's definitely glam, a bit more bold than I normally wear, but I feel like a pair of lashes would look great with this. And there are so many different directions I could take this palette in. It could be very casual, neutral, or get more glammed up. A great Valentine's Day look and palette, which I love a Valentine's Day look. And so if you have tried out this palette, definitely let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.